Okay, so what are the steps of measurement? Having this background, what would be the major steps of scale development? I just want to take you through this, and we will take this figure as our benchmark figure, and we will try to put all the steps of scale development under under this framework, which is first defining the concept, right? Second is domain delineation, measure, design and generate items, reliability testing, dimensionality testing, validity testing, and validation. So the first thing that we have to do is define our construct, define how abstract or how contextual our construct is going to be, and define uh, the domain of the construct. Then we generate and judge our items. We design and conduct studies to develop and refine the scale, and we finalize the scale, which is often iterative. So the first thing is defining construct and developing domain definition. So you've got to understand what is the domain. So it's like, for example, let's say motivation. We are interested in motivation. So what are you going to, if you are going to develop a scale for motivation, what are you going to think about? You're going to say, okay, what are the kind of behaviors this person displays, right? And I want to capture that and think about uh, developing a measure for motivation. So we talk about the entire behavior domain, but we use only a sample of these behaviors. So look at this, think about this behavior domain here as the entire population. This is our entire population, right? So entire set of actions that a motivated person will do, entire set of actions that a committed person will do or an engaged person will do, that becomes our entire behavior domain. And we use a sample of these behaviors, and each question in a test is becomes our subject. So each item that you are going to put in your measure, in your instrument, is a subject that has been picked from this population. So it's like a population, and then you are picking out certain members. And we begin by thinking of as many members of the behavior domain as possible. So essentially, what are you going to do? You've got to think about what are all the possible elements that can go into this uh, this domain, right? And randomly select a few of them, and that becomes our test. So similar to the problems of research with populations and samples. So just wanted to give you this analogy that it's like you define the population and then pick certain items. Now, how do you first identify what is the population? And that is where the definition becomes important. That is where defining becomes very, very important. So the first step of developing a scale is basically developing a definition, developing a conceptualization of your construct. That means a precise and detailed description of what are you going to aim at, right? What is it that you are going to uh, uh, look at? What is the definition of your construct? Now, how do you develop this definition? How do you think about this definition? That definition can come through literature review, reading prior literature, right? Based on the prior literature, you want to now mix and match certain dimensions, and you want to create a new definition of your construct, right? That is one way. Another way could be to interview people, right? So what do you do in a literature review? You identify related and less related construct, assess the need for developing a measure. Remember, developing a measure takes a lot of time and effort, okay? It is an effort that is uh, that can take a lot of time, okay, and effort. So if you are embarking on this journey, you've got to carefully assess the need for even doing this. Or you can just go ahead and uh, use one of the existing measures, and you don't have to do all that hard work, right? So that is, and clarify nature and range of the content of the construct. So you basically come up with a definition. Reading literature, literature review is just one thing. You can interview people, you can do focus group discussions, and come to an understanding of what is the construct that you are interested in.